Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. It was a long summer break, but it was totally worth it and much needed. We started with a family reunion at Washington and a small trip to New York City for 4th of July. Alongside with some Eid celebration, Eid presents, family time, family bonding, attended and planned few baby shower parties, and my mom dad was there, so we had a blast with the family, mashallah. But we are back to life, and today I'm sharing recipe of Shahi Daal Handi. It tastes exactly like it sounds, traditional Shahi masalas cooked with a regular dal, a dal with a twist for sure. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So I'm using half and half of moong dal and masoor dal. Original recipe called for urad dal, the white one. For the seasoning, I have some cardamoms, choti elaichi. This will go while we cook the dal. I will add some turmeric powder, salt. Then I will add some chopped onions and chopped tomatoes, whole cumin, zira, and minced garlic. And then for the topping, I will add some sliced and roasted almonds and chopped cilantro, and we will cook this dal in some milk. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So first step is to boil our dal with some turmeric, cardamoms, and salt, and just cook this dal until it's completely tender but not mushy. So just drain out the extra water and keep this dal aside. And let's hop on to our second step. Now take another pot, add your drained dal, add milk, and start cooking on slower to medium heat. With the help of whisk or a wooden spoon, keep stirring until dal is completely thickened and it comes to a pasty texture. And I discard the cardamoms when I was draining, so just discard the cardamoms, they were just for the boiling time. Now in a separate fry pan, heat oil, butter or ghee, then add minced garlic and cook for like a minute or two. Then add cumin, stir, and now it's time to add chopped onions, and then cook your onions until they are soft for like a minute or two. And now it's time to add your chopped tomatoes and start cooking this mixture until tomatoes are completely cooked, release its water, and oil comes on top. And then you add teaspoon of garam masala. I really apologize, I forgot to mention it in the ingredients. So now just add garam masala while our dal is cooking on a very slow flame on the side, and it's a thick and pasty mixture. So now we have to transfer this cooked masala into our dal. And then mix this mixture until it's completely dissolved. You can see the consistency here. You don't need to add any water. It's supposed to be thick and supposed to be served with rokni roti or naan. And you can dish it out into a handi as the name suggests, or you can serve it in a baldi as well. So just dish it out and top it with some chopped cilantro and roasted and sliced almonds. I'm using pre-roasted almonds here. You can just take a regular raw almond, just chop them off and just toast it in the oven or in the microwave. And here's presenting Shahi Daal Handi. Something different and unique. Creamy dal with the nutty flavor. Serve it with naan or a rokni roti. Make it for your family or make it for a big get together. Your guests will surely love it. And if you try this at home, don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the given link to enjoy more recipes like this.